Good morning, guys. How are you today? Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. نبتدئ. So, guys, please focus on this. Her childhood, for example. I'll ask you one by one. You have to read it carefully. And I'll assign you today, God willing, one word, each one word. For example, but I'll select randomly. For example, scholarship. I'll give it to one of you to put it within a sentence, full sentence. Then, second one, I'll ask coal mine to put it in sentence. I'll give you 2 minutes, for example, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, whatever. Then you have to provide me the full sentence. I need you to read it very well, each word, and to try understand it very well and practice the words within your own sentences. So this is first. And here we have her sexes. Here we have her. And once again, sorry, her success. Sorry for mispronunciation. In 1984, Oprah moved to Chicago to work on TV talk show called AM Chicago. So please try to get these answers. This one, and all of them. And also I'll assign you each word from this text to put it within sentence. That's mean in Arabic. تقرون زين هذه اللي أولى her childhood plus her success, and each word you have to read it carefully. I'll ask you، راح أقول لكم كل واحد مثلا اختار لي الكلمة الفلانية تحط لي إياها بجملة وأعطيك وقت ترتبها في جملة. إن شاء الله هذا اليوم راح نحاول نطبقها. فهذا هو الحد her charity work also included. For the past simple, number 4, what is the past simple of these verbs? So the question is watch, interview, study, talk, move, start, earn, open. So also give it to me, please, the past for this. Now we need to listen to 6.3. So also you will have these. No need to give it to me, but just listen, please, to this one.
Tape script 6.3. Watched, interviewed, studied, talked, moved, started, earned, opened.
And guys, see, also in pronunciation within ed, also you will have it, like watch it, interviewed, started. So this is the point. You have to be careful for the pronunciation. We will have also some information regarding this. And 6.4, the text C, that's mean her success, her success. Completed with the past simple form of the verbs in exercise 4. So we need to use these verbs actually. Please listen.
Tape script 6.4. C. Her success. In 1984, Oprah moved to Chicago to work on a TV talk show called AM Chicago. She talked to lots of interesting people about their problems. Oprah says, "People's problems are my problems." The show was very successful, so in 1985 it was renamed The Oprah Winfrey Show. 49 million people in 134 countries watched it every week. In 1993, she interviewed Michael Jackson, and 100 million people watched the program. Last year, she earned $260 million. Her charity work. In 1998, Oprah started the charity Oprah's Angel Network to help poor children all over the world. In 2007, she opened a special school in Johannesburg, the Oprah Winfrey Academy for Girls. She says, "When I was a kid, we were poor and we didn't have much money. So what did I do? I studied hard. There are 152 girls at the school. Oprah calls them her daughters, the children she didn't have in real life."
Okay, so please guys use these verbs to answer this text. What's the point here? The grammar spot, find a question with did and negative. With didn't in the text, see. That's mean didn't when we need to make negative, and we need to negate the sentences in the past. For example, okay, first let's go to page 138. And we are here, okay, 138, 138, okay, sorry, yes, right. This is the point, so please, 6.1, past simple spelling of regular verbs. As you know, we have regular verbs and irregular verbs. What does that mean? Some verbs with the past, we can add ed, and irregular, we cannot do that. For example, the normal rule is to add ed, يعني الإضافة للed. Work, worked. Start, started. But it depends on the pronunciation. If the verb ends in e, add d, يعني وإذا ينتهي بالإي نضيف فقط الد. If verbs has only one syllable, that's mean المقطع, and one vowel and one consonant, that's mean one syllable بها علة, حرف علة زائد حرف صحيح, double the consonant and ed, just like stop, stopped, like because we have o, the vowel, and after the vowel we have consonant. You have to double the consonant and add ed. Verbs that end in consonant plus y change to ied, sorry, like study, studied, carry, carried. So this is the point, please. That's mean we have three cases. One, simply add ad, this one. And second case, we have e, we only need to add d because you have the e, and then vowels before the consonant, so you have to double the consonant as this case. Sorry. And then we have y. If we have y, we have to turn it to I and then add ed. The past simple expresses a past action that is finished. So this is the point. Once we need to illustrate something regarding the past simple, here we have the timeline, and then we have past, and we have present. Here we have future. The past simple, as here, expresses a past action that is finished.